Hello students, let's do question number 3, exercise 13.3. Question number 3 of NCERT. A 20-meter deep well with a diameter is dug. बच्चे, well is always in the shape of a cylinder. A 20-meter deep well, the well is 20 meter deep, that is height of cylinder is 20 meter and the diameter is 7 meters. Well is dug and earth from digging is evenly spread. Earth means the soil, the मिट्टी जो उसमें से निकाली, is spread to form a platform. हमने उससे एक प्लेटफॉर्म बना लिया 22 मीटर by 14 meters का. This by this means length into breadth. If you get 22 by 14 by 7 means length, breadth, height. What we have to find? We have to find the height of the platform. Length, breadth, height. We have made a platform whose length and breadth are different and we have to find. It means what will be the shape of the platform? It will be a shape of a cuboid. Clear? Now, the earth taken out from cylinder means the volume of the cylinder or volume of the well. So, volume of cylinder is the total earth taken out and it is used to form a platform. The whole soil used to make a platform was volume of the cylinder and the whole soil was what? Volume of cuboid. बच्चे, जितनी हमने मिट्टी निकाली थी उसी उतनी ही मिट्टी से हमने वो प्लेटफॉर्म बना दिया. जो वॉल्यूम उस मिट्टी का यहाँ पे था सिलेंडर से निकालने के बाद सेम वॉल्यूम वहाँ पे था जिससे क्यूबॉइड बनाया. नाउ व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर? पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. एंड व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड? L into B into, we are taking it as capital H so that we can differentiate between both. What is pi? 22 by 7 into, what will be radius? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20. How much is length? 22 into breadth is 14. H we have to find out. Clear? Now, what will be the value of H? Take 22 and 14 here. 7 and 7 get cancelled. 4 5s are 20. We have 22 into 7 into 5 by 22 into 14. 22 and 14 came here. 22 and 22 get cancelled. 7 1 the, 7 2 the. What is height? 5 by 2 centimeters. That is 2.5 centimeters is the height of platform. Clear? Pause the video and note it down. Let's do question number 4. Very important question. Question number 4 is, a well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. We have a well. Again, well is always in the shape of cylinder. The diameter of the well is 3 meters and deep means height is 14 meters. Earth is taken out of it has spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring. इससे पिछले क्वेश्चन में बच्चे जो अर्थ टेकन आउट थी, जितनी मिट्टी बाहर निकाली, that was made to used to form a cuboidal platform. बस this time a ring is made like this around the well. The width of the ring is 4 meter. This width, this width is 4 meters. Now बच्चे, what was the radius of the well? Radius was 3 by 2, that is 1.5 centimeters. 1.5 meters was the radius. In the last question also बच्चे, it was meters instead of centimeters. Please do the correction. 4 meter. This radius is 1.5 meter. What we have to find? We have to find the height of the embankment. Clear? Circular ring बनाया और मुझे उसकी हाइट बतानी है कि कितना ऊंचा वो सर्कुलर रिंग बनेगा, मुझे जितनी मिट्टी उसमें से बाहर निकाली, द होल अर्थ विल बी यूज टू मेक द प्लेटफॉर्म विच इज इन द शेप ऑफ रिंग। क्लियर। अब बच्चे जो रिंग की शेप होती है ऐसा गोल, आप उसको ऐसे कैसे निकालोगे? व्हाट वी विल डू, दिस स्मॉल r is 1.5. Suppose we are taking it as capital R. What will be the length of capital R? What will be the capital R? This is 1.5. This width is 4. What will be capital R? 1.5 plus 4. That is 5.4 meters. Clear? 5.4 meter is capital R. Now, the earth taken out equals to क्या? Volume of cylinder. Now it is used to form a ring. तो जो ring है बच्चे, volume of ring, what will be the volume of ring? अगर हम बच्चे बाहर वाला सिलेंड्रिकल पोर्शन में से अंदर वाला सिलेंड्रिकल पोर्शन जो राउंड पोर्शन है वो माइनस कर दें, what will be the volume of ring? पाई कैपिटल R स्क्वायर H पूरा रेडियस माइनस पाई small r square into h. Clear? Now what is the volume of earth taken out? Pi r square into h will be equals to क्या? Pi r square h minus pi r square h. It is the volume of ring. Pi r square h will be pi and h common, r square minus r square, pi and pi get cancelled. What is r square? 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into what is h? 14 equals to capital H, height of the ring. Height of ring is capital H. R square 5.5 का sorry, it is 5.5 meters. 5.5 whole square minus 1.5 whole square. This is 2 7s are 14. 9 into 7 by 2 equals to h into what is 5.5 whole square? 30.25 minus 1.5 whole square 2.25. 9 into 7 by 2 equals to h into 28. What is h? 9 into 7 into 2, 28 comes in the denominator. 7 4s are 28. Height is 9 upon 8 meters. That is around 1.125 meters is the height of the ring. Clear?